Okay, let's move on to question 3 now, and I'll make it a little bit bigger so we can read it. Decide if each pair of triangles is similar, giving a reason for your answer. Okay, so we need the rules for similarity now, and remember it's SSS, it's SAS, it is RHS, and we don't use the AAS, it's not that one, okay? It is AAA. Right, so let's have a look at here. Well, obviously we've got 3 sides on the left triangle, we got 3 sides on the right-hand triangle, so this is definitely going to be a case of the SSS rule. However, to make this work, we have to show that all sides are in the same ratio. Okay, so let's do that. Right, pick the smallest side. We've got 5 in the original, and we have 3 in the image. We have the medium side is 12 in the original and 6 in the image. And we have 13 is the longest side in the original and 7 in the image. Now, looky here, right here, this is quite obvious that 12 is to 6 is basically a factor of 1/2. Okay? And over here, half of 13 is going to be 6.5, not 7. And at the top, half of 5 is 2.5, not 3. So because the 3 do not share the same ratio, or I could say the same scale factor, we can conclude that this triangle is not similar. Using the rule SSS. Okay, let's move on to question 4. And it says, use your understanding of triangle properties to decide whether each pair of triangles is similar. Okay, well, triangle properties, they're talking about with equilateral triangles, all the angles are going to be equal. With isosceles triangles, you have one pair of congruent sides and one pair of equal angles. Okay, those are properties. So, looking at question 4a, we have an equilateral triangle, EDF, DEF, and then over here we have an equilateral triangle, WXY. So, because these are equilateral triangles, they have 60 degrees in all angles. And that's for both cases, both the original as well as the image. So if they have 60 degrees, 60 degrees, 60 degrees for all angles, we can say that they must be similar. They look similar, but they must be similar using the rule AAA. Okay, so that was question 4A. Let's, my dad joke. Okay, question 6. Jessica said that each pair of triangles is similar. Explain why she is wrong in each case. All right, I'm going to do 6A. So it seems like they've given us 73 degrees in the original, 40 centimeters, and 38 centimeters. And in the image, they've given us 73 degrees, 19 centimeters, as well as 20 centimeters. Now, which rule has an angle, a side, and another side? Look at that. That's terrible. It spells out horrible words. So this is actually not one of the rules for both congruency as well as similarity. Okay, the ASS rule or the SSA rule, they're not one of the proofs. So that's why Jessica is wrong. And, shame on you, Jessica. All right, so good luck with those questions.